Hey, welcome to my BACKLIFE TV. Hope you like it. Don't forget to smash that button below. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
You guys, I've been on top for 10 fucking years. Ndiko maulile, ndiko midi, I'm a petite baby. You guys, I've been on top for 10 fucking years. Ndiko maulile, ndiko midi, I'm a petite baby. I feel sex of myself. You look like a gorilla. You look like a monkey. You look like a hippopotamus. You look like a pig. You look like a coffee. But you are a job, but you think I look like a last title at 20 from 1940. That's what I some has Murungi what. Yagarugera ivola be tsunami. But on agenda kuzikiriza lw'oludda munaga face yo ku Facebook. Ne wangwira ba blogger bameka bunanja bamaliriza. Sina blogger gwe natuma bweru. Temutumanyira kutukinako. Tukutumanga ko bulaya applying ko visa. I've never gone to any embassy applying visa for anyone to go in Aslam. It's not bad to be on Aslam, but I've never encouraged someone. I have served my punishment. You guys have to take it. I'm going to go for 10 fucking years. I'm going to go the name of blogger.
What do we have here? I better go get myself a glass of water.
What happens when you put a can of Coke in the freezer and forget about it? Hope to see you all back in a flash.